Bharati. So today class for 5th standard children. So still you are in first chapter, but now I am telling about another topic. So today our topic name is Senior Indian System of Numeration. Okay, observe it here. See at both sides. Indian system of numeration. Okay, so let's observe the place value chart of our Indian number system. Okay, so this is the Indian number system. Okay, observe at both sides. Observe carefully, children. This is your Indian number system chart. Okay? Okay. Listen. So, in our Indian number system is divided into 4 periods. Okay? In our Indian number system is divided into 4 periods. That is first one is ones period and second one is thousands period. Third one is lakhs period. Fourth one is crores period. So let's see what is the ones period. See here, this is the ones period. So in this ones period we have a 3 sub periods or 3 sub headings or 3 place values. Okay, in your ones period, in our place values are divided into 3 parts. That is, first one is ones place and second one is tens place, third one is hundreds place. Okay, entire this period is called as ones period. Okay, entire this period is called as ones period. In ones period, we have a 3 place values. That is ones, tens, hundreds. So look at the board side and observe this part once. Okay. Now let me know about our second period in this chart. That is thousands period. Okay, children. Thousands period. In thousands period, we have a 2 place values. Okay. 2 place values. What are they? Thousands period and 10,000s period, or thousands place value and 10,000s place value. So, okay. So this is your second period or thousands period. In this thousands period, we are divided 2 place values. In the 2 place values, so the first one is thousands period and second one is 10,000s period. Okay, so observe this period once. Okay, let's come to know about our third period or lakhs period. So in this lakhs period, we have a 2 place values. Okay, children. In this period also, we have a 2 place values. In that place values, our first place value is lakhs period and second place value is 10 lakhs period. Okay, children. In our third period, it means our lakhs period, we have a 2 place values and first one is lakhs period or lakhs place value and another one is 10 lakhs place value. Okay, 10 lakhs place value. So observe the lakhs periods and that place value of lakhs period. So observe this one, children, once. See at both sides. Observe carefully. Okay, this is your lakhs period and this is your place values in lakhs period. Okay. Now let's come to know about crores period. Okay, what is that? Crores period. Crores period means this is your fourth period. Okay, In your fourth period or crores period, we have a two place values. In that, the first one is crores and second one is 10 crores. Okay, children, what is that? Crores, 10 crores. Okay, this is your crores period. In our crores period is divided into two place values, and first one is crores period and second one is 10 crores period or place value. So observe this crores period. Look at this side and observe carefully. See this. This is your crores period. Okay. Now I hope very well understood very well about this Indian number system chart. Okay. So observe here. As the basis of this number system, you are using or pronouncing numbers as basis of this Indian number system. How can we see? This is one of the number. Okay, this is one of the number. So, in the basis of Indian number system, we are pronouncing or giving commas for each number or what are the number. Why? Because we are pronouncing or dividing or separating numbers by using commas. So, see here, how can we pronouncing this number or spell this number? 8 crores 96 lakhs 57,432. Okay, yes or no? Yes. So how can we read or spell or pronounce this number? Yes, we are pronounced this number the basis of Indian number system. Observe here. In ones period we have a 3 place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. So this is one of the period. Okay. How many numbers are here? 3. Yes or no? Hundreds means 3. That's why here we are given comma here. After 3 numbers. It means here to one period is completed. Okay, children. Now let's know about this number. How can we pronounce this number? 57,000. How can? 57,000. It means in this number as in thousands period. Yes or no? Yes. That's why here we are given comma here only. After come to the lakhs period. Lakhs period also we have a 2 sub values. This is the lakhs and 10 lakhs. That's why here also we have pronounced this 96 as 96 lakhs. What is that? 96 lakhs. That's why here also we are given comma here. Okay? As like this or as the basis of this number system, we are pronouncing this number as 8 crores 96 lakhs 57,432 and giving commas as a basis of this Indian number system. Okay? So children, let's write down these Indian number systems on your notebooks. And I hope you are all understood very well about this Indian number system chart. Okay children, we will continue the next topic. We will continue the next class in another topic. Be safe children. Take care. Bye.